What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of g of x. G of x is 2 plus x squared plus 1 to the power of 4 to the power of 3. We need to find g prime x. I need to use chain rule differentiation, which is if you have u to the power of n, derivative is going to be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. And the theorem for chain rule is saying that if you want to find out derivative of y with respect to x, and if y is a function of u and u is the function of x, we can find out derivative of y with respect to x as derivative of y with respect to u multiplied by derivative of u with respect to x. Let's go back to this question. 2 plus x squared plus 1 to the power of 4 to the power of 3. Derivative will be 3 times 2 plus x squared plus 1 to the power of 4 to the power of 2 times 2 plus x squared plus 1 to the power of 4 prime. So derivative of 2 is going to be 0, and derivative of x squared plus 1 to the power of 4 is going to be 4 times x squared plus 1 to the power of 3 times derivative of x squared plus 1, which is going to be 2x. So that's going to be 8x times x squared plus 1 to the power of 3. So that's going to be 3 times this expression times this expression. So when you simplify it, 3 times 8, 24x times x squared plus 1 to the power of 3 times 2 plus x squared plus 1 to the power of 4 to the power of 2. That's going to be the final answer to this question. That's the answer to the derivative of g of x. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding differentiation, chain rule differentiation, integration, and other topics in calculus, physics, and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.